Welcome back to our third class. Today 3 period continuously, and tomorrow also I have 3 period continuously. So please bear it. Okay. Now next question number 10 is again very easy. I am not going to do. You can manage by yourself. Question number 11. Question number 11 tells, prove that a parallelogram circumscribing a circle is a rhombus. What is the question? Prove that a parallelogram circumscribing a circle. Prove that parallelogram circumscribing a circle is a rhombus. P, Q, R, S. Parallelograms. What is the definition of parallelograms? Yes. In parallelogram, opposite sides are parallel and equal, right? So ABCD is a parallelogram. Given parallelogram ABCD. What we have to prove is ABCD is a rhombus. What is rhombus? Yes. Rhombus also a parallelogram, right? Rhombus also a parallelogram. Parallelogram is a common word. Under parallelogram there are rectangle also a parallelogram, square also a parallelograms. Clear? Rhombus also a parallelograms. So we have to prove ABCD is a rhombus. Rhombus means what? Where all the sides are equal. We have to prove AB, BC, CD and AD all are equal. AB equal BC equal which one? CD equal AD. We have to prove all the sides are equal. How to prove? AB equal to DC. AB equal to DC. Tell me what is the reason? Yes. Opposite sides of a parallelogram. What about BC? BC equal to AD. Right? It's a common both, right? Opposites of a parallelograms. Okay, now come. AP equal to AS. Yes, last class we learned, right? Why? Tangent, isn't it? Now tell me which one next? BQ equal or BP equal BQ. Next, CQ equal CR. Next, DR equal DS. Why? Tangent theorems. Now come. AB plus DC. This question is slightly almost similar to question number 8, but some different is here. Okay. AB plus DC. AB plus DC equal. What is AB? AP plus BP, right? That is AP plus BP. That is AB so, right? Next DC. What is DC? DR plus CR. Is that now? Okay. Now AB plus DC. AB equal to DC, right? AB equal to DC, yes or no? So in place of DC, what you can write? AB. Next, AP. In place of AP, you have what you can write? AS. In place of BP, what you can write? BQ. Next, in place of DR, DR what? DR is equal to DS, right? DR and DS are equal, so DS. In place of CR, what you can write? CQ. 1 AB plus 1 AB, 2 AB. Yes, all put together. Next, John. PQ plus CQ. Two ABC equal AD, AS plus DS. AS plus DS equal what? AD. BQ plus CQ. BQ plus CQ is equal to BC. AD equal to what? AD equal to BC, right? We already got. So in place of AD, what you can write? BC. Again, one more BC. 2AB plus 1 BC plus 1 BC. Sorry, what? 2 BC. 2 to cancel. AB equal to BC. Clear? Children, look at the board. It's already given AB and DC is equal. AB and DC is equal. AD and BC also equal. Clear? Yes or no? So, now we have proved AB and BC equal. AB and this BC equal. So, from above what we will come to the conclusion? All are equal or not? See, these two are equal. These two are also equal. Now, again these two are also equal. That means everything is equal or not? AB equal to BC equal CD equal AD. Therefore, ABCD is a rhombus. Okay, children, your answer is over. Work out. Sorry, write fast. Children, next question is question number 12. But I am not going to do question number 12 because it is too lengthy. I am going to do, but not today, because the time is very few minutes left in this period. So if I started doing this question, it will be halfway hanging somewhere else. So let me do tomorrow when I get the full period. Okay. Now let us go to question number 13. Bit difficult, but it's not that difficult. Okay. Question number 13. Let us go. Prove that opposite sides of a quadrilateral circumscribing a circle subtend supplementary angle at the center of the circle. Prove that opposite sides of the quadrilateral circumscribing a circle subtend supplementary angles center. Okay. Opposite sides of a quadrilateral, opposite AB, opposite DC, right? So AB and DC, this make an angle. AB, what angle making? This angle, right? And DC, that is this angle. These two angles together, how many degree? Supplementary, how many degree? 180 degree. Likewise, AOD, this angle, and BOC. How many degree? 180 degree we have to prove. Okay. Angle AOB plus angle DOC. 180 degree. Angle AOD plus angle BOC. How many degree? 180 degree you have to prove. Okay. Now come. AP equal to AS. I will go a bit fast. Okay. Time is very less. AP equal to AS. Yes. BQ equal BP equal to jump. BQ. CQ equal to CR. We already learned so many questions, right? Next, DR equal to DS. Tangents theorem, shortly. Okay. Okay. Now comes. We'll make this is angle 1, angle 2, 3, 4, 5 and 8. Now, angle 1 equal to angle 2. Angle 1 equal to angle 2. Tell me why. Today, first class I taught you. Why? Why angle 1 and 2 are equal? Because angle 1 and 2 are subtended by same, means equal tangent, that is AP and AS, right? AP and AS are equal tangent, that means angle 1 and angle 2 must be equal. So likewise angle 3 and 4 also equal, right? Because BP and BQ. Likewise 5 and 6, 6, 7 and 8. Is that now? So angle 1 and 2 3 equal to angle 4, angle 5 equal to angle 6, angle 7 equal to angle 8. Why? Equal tangents subtends equal angle at the center. Okay. Now, angle 1 plus all the angles you are going to add. Okay. 2, all the angle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, everything when you add together, what you will get? You will get a complete circle, isn't it? Circle has how many degree? How many degree? 360 degree, right? Complete angle. Okay. First we are going to prove angle AOB, that is 2 and 3. That means 1 and 4 we don't need. So in place of write 1 and you can write, in place of 1 we can write 2. Angle 2 plus angle 2, 3. In place of 4, because 4 we don't want, right? We want these two angle only. So in place of 4 what we can write? 3. 5 we don't need. 6. 7 needed. 8 no need. 2 times of angle, that time 2, there are two angle 2, right? Plus angle 3 also 2 times here. 6 also 2 times. 7 also. So 2 times angle 2 you will take common, everywhere 2 2, isn't it? So 2 you take common out, angle 2 plus angle 3, 6 plus angle 7. Okay. 2 plus angle 3, in place of angle 2 and 3, shall write angle AOB. 2 and 3 is nothing but AOB, isn't it? So angle AOB, 6 and 7. 6 and 7 is nothing but DOC. Is that now? DOC. Here 2 is multiplying, when you take other side it will divide. Okay, so one answer is over. Angle AOB plus angle DOC equal to 180 degree already complete. Okay, now similarly, no need to prove everything again, it will be again too long, your answer will be too long. Same method it will go. Similarly, angle which one? AOD. AOD plus angle which one? BOC is equal to degree 180 degree. Okay, children, your answer is over. Okay, all of you copy down. All of you copy down. Children, today my class is over. Tomorrow I will be coming. I will try to finish up tomorrow this chapter, so that one chapter will be completed. Please go through the notes, whatever I have given, explain. Today itself you practice, so that it will be permanently, it goes to in your brain. Okay, children? Okay, see you all.